children, let's start with chapter number 8, more about Scratch. In this chapter, we will study about Scratch, what is Scratch program, what are its different components. So, let's start with the chapter now. First, a programming language has a set of instruction called program for instructing a computer to perform specific tasks. So, Scratch is a simple programming language that lets us to create interactive stories, animation, games, music, and art. Playing video games is fun, but programming in own video is creative. So, challenging skills that lets you make or fun. The free Sketch programming environment gives everyone an easy way to learn programming skills. So, Sketch was designed by MIT Media Lab Lifelong Kindergarten Group led by your Mitch techniques in 2003. Let's study about the components. The various parts of the sketch window are shown in the figure given ahead. In the previous class, we came to know about some of those parts. What are these? Let's show me over here. What is this? This is your title bar. This is view full screen. This is green flag. This is your stop button. This is a sprite. And this is a stage. This is sprite area. This is block menu. Then we have different tabs. Now, what is stage? Let's study about stage. It is the main working area where all the action take place. As per the given instruction, it displays our creation. We can see our stories, game, animation created by us. It is divided into XY coordinates, which are present at the bottom right corner of the stage, which shows the position of the mouse. What it shows you? Position of the mouse. What is sprite? It is made up of object. The most basic object in Scratch is sprite. It is a small graphic character that perform action in Scratch project. There are many inbuilt sprites in Scratch. और जो cat होके वो आपका default sprite होता है. Now new sprite buttons. There are 4 new sprite buttons. First is to choose the sprite from library. You can pick one, whatever you want to choose. Paint a new sprite. You can draw a new one. You upload sprite from the file. We can upload an image you already have. New sprite from camera. Using this option, we can take photo with the computer webcam and use it as a sprite. Views full screen. Sprite toolbar or cursor through. You can duplicate. It creates another copy. It deletes the sprite, increase the size और shrink मतलब ये size को decrease करता है. Block help. On selecting this button, the mouse जो pointer at will change to the question mark. What? There will be a question mark. Next is tabs. We have 3 tabs. We have scribe, costume, and sound. First is sprite tab. It is a set stepwise instruction given to the sprite so that you can do a specific task, and sprite is also called a program. Then we have costume tab. It allows us to draw, import, and edit images. Then we have sound tab. It allows us to record or import sound files. Next we have backdrop icon. We have 4 different options so that you can change the backstage of the sprite. First is choose backdrop from library. We can choose backdrop from the Scratch library. Paint new drop. You have to create a new backdrop. You will go to paint new. It will open backdrop window icon. Upload backdrop. Using this option, we can upload the required file. New backdrop from camera. Using this option, we can take a photo with our computer webcam. Then we have stage icon. On clicking this icon, the backdrop tab appears in the place of costume tab. And we can import any background on the stage using this tab. Here are the characters and objects that we created, including stage itself. Click the icon to edit each sprite individually. Next is sprite with info. So, we might notice a little blue icon in the left corner of the sprite thumbnail. It displays sprite info pane. When click on this icon, right, the sprite name, however you can rename it. X and Y coordinate, the position of the sprite indicates by these coordinates on the stage. The horizontal line is labeled as x-axis and y-axis. Direction, it executes which direction you want to move. Rotation style, you can rotate freely, can face only left or right, or no rotation along. आप या तो कोई rotation नहीं कर सकते. Now next is working with 2 sprites. So for that, you have to use different steps. Click on choose sprite from library option. The sprite library box dialog box appears. Select the people from category section and select KI, and then you will click OK button. Again, click on choose sprite from library option, add Maya sprite from the people category in the sprite library box. Select the sprite one by one and you will start creating the block stack step by step showing the figure. Click on the green flag button and observe two sprites taking to each other, right? Next is changing the sprite position. Now you want to change the sprite position. For that, the scratch is about 80 pixel wide and 316 pixel high. Everything is on the grid with two axes, x-axis and y-axis. X-axis means the horizontal line that marks left and right position, right? Then we have y-axis, it is the vertical line that marks up and down position. ये आपका लेफ्ट और राइट पोजीशन को मार्क करता है, अप और डाउन को करता है. Now as we move to the right from the origin, the x value increases from 0 to 240. As we move left from the origin, it changes to 0 to 250. Right? As we move down from the origin, the value changes from 0 to 180. Let us create a project to change the sprite position. How you will change it? We will study further. Now, set x to 80. This block is used to set the x position of the sprite. 100, it will change the, it will set the y position. Now go to x 100, it will specify the position of both the stages. Now setting the rotation style. We have different steps to set our rotation style. So click on the choose sprite from library option. The sprite library box appear. Select the people from the category section and select Zara. Then click OK button. Now click on the icon which is present on the left corner of the sprite. Set the rotation style of the linear arrow. Drag the following command and you will observe the result. Now you want to change the pen shade. The sprite moves to the sketch pen block which is used to draw a tray. Each pen color has a different shades that vary from 0 to 100. 0 is lightest and 1 is the darkest shade. Right? 0 आपका lightest shade होगा, 1 darkest होगा. Now change the stage backdrop. How you will change it? So you have to click on the choose backdrop from the library option under a new backdrop section. Select the desired backdrop. Now click on the OK button. Drag the following blocks and observe the result over here. Now let us create a dancing sprite. Click on the choose sprite from the library option. A sprite library box appear. Select the people from the category section. Select Balnearia Tech. Then click on the OK button. Click on the choose background from the library option available under a new backdrop section. Like this, you can see that click the spotlight stage. Click on OK. Drag the following command. Blocks are used in the project like we have set instruction to 6. You will set the type of instrument that the sprite uses to play note. This block is used as a musical note for a specific number of these. Now paint a new stage backdrop. So for that you will click on paint view backdrop option available under new drop. Use a available tool. You will use the different available tool. You will use a different available tool to design your backdrop. Right? These are the different steps how you can change the backdrop. Hope you understood. Now we have completed. Let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.